Hi everyone, this is Patrick from Dutchy Tech Tips, and in this video I am going to show you how to install a Linux operating system called CentOS version 7. There's no place you'd rather be than here to learn how. Before we can install CentOS, we need to insert the bootable media for the operating system into your boot device, whether it's a USB stick or a CD-ROM or DVD. Once you have done that, please restart your computer, which I will be doing now. Once you have inserted your bootable media into the computer and restarted your computer, you'll be prompted to a menu called CentOS Linux 7. So we need to select Install CentOS Linux 7 and press enter on your keyboard. This may take some time to open up the user interface for the installer. Now that the CentOS Linux 7 user interface for the installer is open, we need to select a language that we would like to use during the installation process. By default, it selects English and English United States. Because we are here in New Zealand, we want to select English New Zealand and click Continue. Now it's asking us to configure part of the installation. Notice that there is a button saying Begin Installation that is grayed out. There's a good reason for this, because our automatic partitioning is not selected or haven't created our partition. So we need to click on this icon. This is the hard drive configuration page. As you can see, we need to select a hard drive to install CentOS onto. So we're going to select this drive, which is our 50 gigabyte drive, and which should highlight blue with a tick on it. Now, there's also some partitioning information. So we want to select automatically configure partitioning. And then there is an option where you can say, I would like to make additional space available, but we'll leave that blank for now. And once you have done that, click Done. Once we have done that, it will get rid of the warning, and we can begin the installation. The installation has begun, which I find it very odd for CentOS to not configure the user information before the installation. What we need to do is we need to create a root password. So we can put our root password here. Once we have done that, click Done. As you can see that we have set a root password, but we have not created a new user. So therefore, once the installation is done, in theory, we'll be using the root user account and the password we just created. Now we just have to wait for the installation to finish. Performing post-installation setup tasks may take some time. As you can see that the CentOS Linux 7 installation has been completed and is now asking us to reboot the computer. It will be wise if you remove the bootable media from the computer when you're doing this, which I will do now. As you can see that the CentOS Linux 7 operating system has been installed successfully and has been rebooted, and now it's asking us to use the login credentials that we have created in the installation process. To summarize this video, I have shown you how easy it is to install CentOS Linux 7 operating system onto your computer.